Decision tree math in 1 minute. So there are two types of techniques. One is CART, another one is ID3. So CART stands for classification under regression trees. In order to perform classification using decision tree, we use Gini index equation, where the equation is 1 minus sigma pj square. And when you are going into your regression model with respect to decision tree, you can change from the same CART, you change the equation to a least squared error, which you are aware of it, y actual minus y predicted whole square by n. So if you don't want to use CART and you want to use a specific dedicated classification function, which is ID3, iterative dichotomizer trees, so where the equation is, you have the entropy within that, and in order to choose the root node, you will be using information gain, and in order to understand the purity of a specific edge, we try to use your entropy. And in the CART, in order to choose the purity of a particular edge, we use Gini index, and in order to choose the root node even, we try to calculate the Gini index itself. So the Gini index